Ultimate Book of Accountancy, Part A Volume 1. A textbook for Class 12. As per the revised syllabus issued by CBSE 2018-19 by accountancy guru Dr. Vinod Kumar. Why the name of this book is Ultimate Book of Accountancy. This book is based on the highly researched material. It contains hidden secrets of accounting with clear approach and treatment of each and every item. It involves scientific approach and hidden facts of accountancy. Students will learn how to crack the numericals step by step, based on the real concepts and rules but not on a personal judgment. Students will learn the basic concepts and golden rules of accounting. Excellent presentation of theory and numerical part. This book will be helpful in increasing the knowledge and numerical ability of the students, because it involves key points. Do you know? Remember how to crack the numericals. It involves high-quality illustrations and brilliant problems, very well-designed numericals and collection of board questions also. It involves higher-order thinking skills, HOTS, questions, and solved theoretical questions. It involves traditional approach and modern American approach of accounting. How to use this book. First of all, read Do You Know given on the first page of each chapter. Go through the contents of each and every chapter, theoretical part. Read key points. Remember Do You Know and how to crack the numericals. Read treatment of each and every item carefully, and the steps given to solve the problems, under the heading Complete Treatment of Items. Solve each and every illustration and note down the key points. Read higher order thinking skills, HOTS, questions, given at the end of the chapter after chapter summary. Read short answer questions with solutions given after the HOTS questions. Crack each and every practical problem to improve your numerical ability and skill. Solve brilliant problems, which are specially designed to provide the value education, quality education, to the students. This book includes support material for teachers. Common mistakes/points to remember. Dr. Vinod Kumar, author, is a CBSE and other state boards accountancy expert. He has done a lot of research work and pointed out the common mistakes which students usually commit while attempting the board paper. These mistakes are highlighted in this book chapter-wise. This textbook of accountancy is online, available on vishvasbooks.com, Amazon.in, Flipkart, and also on Snapdeal.com. In case you have any queries regarding procurement of books, please feel free to communicate us at vishvasbooks@yahoo.co.in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like us on Facebook at facebook.com/Vishvas Publications. Ultimate Book of Accounting.